Good, great, and glorious day to you, co-creators. I am Corey, the Ascending Master, and I thank you again for coming to my channel. Thank you for being with me and supporting the message, the knowledge that I'm bringing forth. I will always do my very best to be a reflection of that which is you. And so I thank you very much for journeying along with me. Today, I wanted to bring the topic up of a soulmate, of lover, a twin flame, your life partner, those that show up as a component of thine self from the heart space. It's important for you all to know that a lover shows up in your life to reflect the love that is you, your higher self. The higher purpose of a relationship is to mirror one's love back to thine self. It's important for you to see yourself as a prominent fixture of your eternal being, of the God self that is you. So when you have an understanding of a higher purpose for your relationship, understand that it is mirroring back to you the love that is you and melting away the walls or any resistance to love. Love is a natural state of being, your natural state of being. And in that natural state, it is meant to remind you of the completeness that is you, the wonderment of a whole you. Breathe in that love and breathe out that love, expressing the wonderment of your entire self, your soul self. And when you find yourself in a place of bliss, in a place of true awareness of your heart being open for that which is another, it is in those moments that you find and you meet other souls who have awakened their heart center to be in alignment with yours. And so it's important for you to honor thyself as much as you honor those that reflect who you are, what you are before you. It's every bit of important for you to see yourself as a complete and whole being of divine love. It is every bit of important for you to love thyself and put thyself before any and everything else in the world. I not only love every bit of who I am, but I need you all to understand that you are required to affirm what you are, who you are in every moment. For if you become a lover of life, you will feel like you are making love in every moment of life. You have to appreciate the totality of that which is you and that which shows up in your reality. Speak joy, speak love, speak life, speak abundance in all that you see and all that is there and all that is you. I need us as divine and unique, as beautiful and precious, as perfectly orchestrated in an imperfect world. I need us to empower ourselves. I need us to raise up the I amness in ourselves and see the God that is us. Stop giving so much of our power to other people. Stop giving so much of your worth and value and place them in others. For when others do not honor thine self the way you do, and others make choices that are free for them to make, we then lose ourselves based on those attachments. And attachments are unnecessary in this walk of life. We should not attach ourselves to those who show up in our lives or our reality. We should not connect ourselves to a degree that which gets us stuck. It keeps us bound and bondage to a story and expectation that a society we were born into just isn't living up to, right? You are the creator of your world. You are the joy, the grace, the mercy. You are the light and the dark. You are the good and the bad. You are the up and the down. You are every single thing that you need to be for thyself. And I'm saying to you right here, right now, that it is every bit of important for you to take your power back, for you to call back your love to those that have hurt you and to those that have done you wrong and to those that misplace or misuse the joy, the love, and the gift that is you. And you need to redirect and redefine how one loves, how you love thyself. Every morning during my power hour, which is the 30 minutes before one falls asleep and the 30 minutes after one wakes up, I do a sort of kind of robust affirmation over self. I speak life and love over me. I speak life and love over my day. I speak about the wonderment that is me, the joy and the gift to the world that I am. I love every part of who I am and what I am. And I'm asking, I'm showing, I'm reflecting back unto thee for you to do the same. Love yourself enough to speak the beauty that is you and to say to thyself that I love the man that I am. I love the tint of my melanin skin. I love the depth of my eyes. I love the curvature of my beautiful lips. I love the strength that is me. I love every bit of that which is me and how I walk and how I talk and how I smile. I love the energy that I'm able to possess and share with the world. I love the joy that culminates within me. I love sitting in my own joy and I love expressing the love that is before me and reflecting it to all. I am every bit of someone who is falling madly and deeply in love with thyself. I'm every bit of someone who is aware and knowing to the true power and nature that sits within me, that sits within each and every one of us. Take your power back. Call back the love that is you. Journey in thine mind over past experiences and relationships that failed and pull your love back. Every moment that you gave to someone that did not give back to you, every moment that you put out that was not put back, every sacrifice and every extra or added umph you placed into a particular situation for an expected outcome. I'm asking you to journey in thine mind back over those relationships, over those experiences and moments, and call your love back. Call it back to thyself. Forgive thyself for not knowing what thine didn't know. Forgive the others who reflected back unto thee that which you were doing to thyself, and find power in being okay with knowing that you are enough. Find the tenacity to keep moving forward. Find the joy in everything that is around you. For I assure you, it is all there for your greatest good and the greatest good of all. I love each and every one of you. I thank you for taking this time to be with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be coming back with some more videos, some more information. Again, every bit of what I'm sharing is just to rise up the I amness in each and every one of us, to stand true and reflect back unto you, the God that is in me. I love you. I thank you. And until next time, be sure to love yourself. Smile often and do whatever it is thine heart is set to do. Namaste.